is the song called Drive from the Incubus. I just want to share something how to play the guitar. But first, let me play this one for you. I will show you how to play this song. First, we have an E minor 7 chord. It plays like this. We have a bass on E note on the 7th fret of the 5th string. This is the E note, and also B note on the 4th string on the 9th fret, and this one a G note. All the other strings were open. This E string and the G is open, and it plays like this. And on the right, in my right hand, it feels like this on bass of the E bass. Downstroke, downpick, and then also the bass. It's the same note, E. Downstroke, one down, one up, and then mute. That's how it plays. And the second chord is this. We have same E bass. We just like this one. The bass did not move. It stay here on E, and it's like the D chord, just like this one, but the bass is in here. This is open E, the first string, like that one. That's the second chord. And the third chord is this C. It's like C major 7, but this is open. D note. It's also this. And the fourth chord is this. From this, we have A on the bass, and we have an C major 7 chord, but there's an A bass on the 6th string. So in slow, here it is. First chord, the second chord, and the third, and the fourth. So I will play in the normal tempo for you. The strumming stuff is, you just have to learn how to strum them, because tapos English, right? Because if you just only knew how the chords was played, like this one, but if you don't know how to pretty much strum your guitar, so it sounds weird. Sounds weird. Not really weird, but I will teach you how to strum this. One down pick on the E bass, also down pick on the E, also on the E note also, and one downstroke, two downstroke, and then one upstroke, and then mute, like that. And the chords of the chorus is this. So there's only two chords in the chorus. It's C and A7. There's a word in there. These chords it's all used through the whole song. So if you wanna learn this stuff, to make sure that it really sounds good. So this chord is pretty much have a wide stretch. It's not easy to play when you were first time to learn this from E to this chord. It have a wide stretch on your fingers, so you must exercise your fingers so do that in wide stretch like this one. So this is it. It's all for this song, Drive from the Incubus. Just wanna thank